Alright folks, today we're grilling bacon cheese onion rings and they look so delicious, so stay tuned because it's time to grill. So let's get started. Of course the first thing we need are onions. Of course you need the bigger ones, otherwise your onion rings will be too little. So start with cutting and peeling them, and after you peeled them I will show you how to cut the right size for this dish. I basically got the idea from one of the tasty Facebook videos. You might have seen them before. They combine cheese with the onion rings and I really liked the idea, so I tried to make a grilled version out of that. So and that's what I do now. I'm trying to cutting these about approximately finger thick. I know my fingers and it's much easier to use the part in the middle because the shape is much better and it's easier to prepare. So once you've cut them, take out the middle thing just by pressing gently down your ring and your middle finger. So that's pretty easy, and take the last four and set them aside. So actually we use the four, so we make one ring out of the first and the third. That's the way to go, and the other one from the second and the fourth. So that's pretty easy. Just press gently, make sure not to use too much force, otherwise it will break. So there you go, and that's it. So now again the second and the fourth, the first and the third. So this is Gruyere cheese. Of course you can use any cheese you like. By the way, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description as always. You can check it out there. So once you faced the size of the onion rings, you are now able to cut the cheese. And that's the moment where the magic happens. Just take out the onion rings and now you have enough space between the onion rings for your cheese. And that's all. And now this one really fits perfect. So the cheese is instead of the onion ring that's between the first and the third, or the second and the fourth. And now you can see that it's pretty easy to do. You can produce them as finger food. You can make a lot of them before. It's really easy preparing stuff. So once you're ready, now wrap them in bacon. This is one of my favorite bacon stripes. This is bacon stripes from Landschlachterei Gerwinat. I will put a link into the video description as well, and you could check it out there. That's high quality German bacon, and it's not too thin, which makes it easy. Just make sure to close it completely, otherwise the cheese will run out. So there you go. The second one I will show you one more time. Just wrap it around. Really easy to do. So in the meantime I've prepared these. I have heated up my Schickling Grill. Schickling Grill is 100% made in Germany grill. I've shown you some grills in the past, and of course some videos on my Schickling Grill. I will put more in the video description or at the end of the video, so you can check it out. And all we do now is we oil this one up. The Schickling Grill has 6 burners, like, and 3 always go together, so we put on the right one on high power and the left one is completely closed, so we're gonna have some indirect heat here. We close the lid and we let this one grow for 35 minutes or so. This is how it looks like after 20 minutes. Still a way to go, but starts looking good already. And once the bacon is brown and crispy enough, the way you like it, you can now glaze this one with your favorite barbecue sauce. I used barbecue sauce with jalapeno in it, so this is a little bit more heat, but you can use a sweet one or a smoky one, whatever you like. So after glazing the bacon onion rings, they should grill for another 15 minutes, so the barbecue sauce gets sticky and caramelize a little bit more. If you want them to caramelize more, you can use maple syrup as well. Feel free. This is my version. A little bit heat. In the meantime, this one is grilling. I haven't filmed that. I prepared my own sour cream. Of course, I'll put the ingredients and the recipe for the sour cream into the video description as well. So now we're gonna take the sour cream and the onion rings. Then we're gonna get inside and then we'll try how they were. As I mentioned, for me this is the perfect game day finger food. Of course you can put them on your burgers as well. Make sure to give that recipe a try. If you like this recipe, please hit that thumb up button, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. You will now see the 0815 barbecue logo on the left side of your screen. Just subscribe by clicking. It's completely for free, but we were seeing us again in several days. You won't miss any video. I really like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.